Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up for NetSpend. First of all, go visit the NetSpend's website. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box at the top, type in netspend.com and start. Doing so will take you to the official site for NetSpend. Once you get to the home page, click on the Sign Up Now button at the top right hand corner. Fill out the necessary information such as your name, address, email address in the text boxes appearing on the display. After you are done filling in all of the information, choose the type of direct deposit payments you would like to receive. Once you are done, scroll down and choose your debit card. Click on Get My Card and agree to the terms and conditions on the next page. You will need to fund your account by linking a bank account, set up a direct deposit, or add a cash at a participating location. Once your account is set up and funded, you will then receive your NetSpend card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. So that is how you will be able to sign up for NetSpend in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.